Guys, today I've just experienced something beautiful. So, something more even beautiful than this one. Who is this? Hey, someone press the button. Oh my gosh. So easy. Guys, I have just found out this wicked mystery behind these statues. And don't press the button for I can literally just explode them. So here's what happens. So you just see your characters start breaking. Then, like watch this, guys. Here's the Roman. Wow, watch this, guys. Bam! You saw that in Sus. You guys just saw that, right? That avatar just exploded, then turned into someone else. Like, boom, again. Oh, why is that one missing an arm? And no leg, and no feet. Watch this, guys. This is gonna be amazing. Pow! You just saw their guts exploded and turn into a whole new different person. Shall we do that again? Yes. Uh-oh. Damn, watch that. Explode. That's the end of the video. I was just trying to show you guys the real truth behind those statues.